Today we have not one, but two Rockseed self-leveling lasers. This first one over here was the one we've been testing in the past. This is the red laser. And then I've read that some people like the green ones better. So I picked up a green one, and on the outside, they look exactly the same. As a matter of fact, I don't see any model numbers that are written on the exterior on the bottom where the label is. Both of these units have fresh new batteries, and we're going to be testing them in direct sunlight as well as other lighting conditions, and then see how they compare. Let's turn these on. When the sun is shining full brightness through the window, you can still see the green laser. As a matter of fact, I can still see a little bit of the green in the sunlight here. I don't think it's showing up on the camera, but obviously in the shadow, it's gonna be much better. But even with the two in the shadow, you can see the green is much more visible and it's brighter between these two models. With the sun behind the clouds, you can see that the green one is still showing up much better than the red. In this case, between the two models, I'd say the green one is definitely the winner here. Now let's take a look to see what this looks like at night. Now that the sunlight is quite literally out of the picture, we can now have more even lighting for some additional testing. So as you can see, with the interior lights on, this is what the lasers look like compared to each other. Red laser versus green laser, the choice is up to you. Personally, I would pick the green laser because it has a greater light output, and for me that's worth it, even though from what I've read it does use up more power than the red laser. Both of them operate the same way, so if you're interested in the actual operation of the unit, I do have a separate video covering the details around that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.